Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to craft condensed resin in Genshin Impact. To do so, you first need to open your Genshin Impact via the Epic Games launcher, and once you're in-game, search for the craft icon, which is right over here. So the craft icon looks like this one right here. Go near it and then press F. Talk to the NPC. So here are all the items you can craft. From here, search for condensed resin. It's right over here. So to craft this, the materials you're going to need is crystal core and original resin. If you have these materials right here, on the bottom right side of your screen, you'll see an option called craft. Click on it and then confirm. As you can see, it's going to cost me 100 more to craft this. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming!